The next program is multiply and accumulate among two arrays and display the output in the USART window. Here, nuclear board is not required. We incorporate the inline library functions into the program and perform the transmission of data into the USART. Include the prototype declarations for input-output functions like printf, scanf, etc. And then include the serial initialization function into the program. Now write the inline assembly for the string copy function. Here the source destination has to be specified. Load the register with the byte of characters and store the register with byte of characters. Define lower order 32 bits using the function LO64 of A and higher order 32 bits by high 64 of A, and it is defined as unsigned integer. As we are going to do the operation multiply and accumulate, we are incorporating the inline assembly SMAL into the program. And before performing the multiply and accumulate operation, a sample statement is to be printed into the serial window. That sample text is given as hello world and the maximum size of the buffer is taken as 16. The two arrays are taken with the maximum array size as 10. This is the main program. Get the value of n, initialize the serial interface and invoke the string function into the main program and printf the statement hello world. After this, the multiply and accumulate operation should take place. So each and every number or the element in the array, it should be multiplied with the corresponding element in the second array and it has to be added with the other elements. So this is multiply and accumulate. Hence, we give the printf statement as dot product of two arrays for the multiply and accumulate operation. Specify the for loop for 10 iterations. Invoke the multiply and accumulate inline assembly function. Sum of array, first array and the second array This takes place till n is not equal to 0. Printf the value of the elements available in the first array and the second array and the summing operation. Open KL Microvision. Open the inline accumulator. Add the inline C function to the source file. So here the program is written with proper indentation as well as comments. Build the program. Start debugging it. Now run the program and view the output in the serial window UART1 on execution by pressing F5. We can infer the output hello world, the string what we have given, and then the dot product of the two arrays, multiply and accumulate. The first element in the array A is multiplied with the first element in the array B, and it is added with the second element in the array A into the second element in the array B, and the operation goes till the 10th element in the array A and B, and the net output multiply and accumulate, that is dot product of the given two arrays, is obtained.